In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page on a survey on Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the survey settings and how to set the outro screen as your friendly thank you page, so respondents feel acknowledged the moment they submit. Start by signing in and heading to your Mailerlite dashboard. From there, open the campaigns area. This is where your drafts and active items live, and it's the quickest way to jump back into a survey you've already started. Find the survey campaign you want to update and click Edit to open its setup. Next, choose Edit Content. This launches the email builder where you control the layout and the survey block itself. If your email doesn't have a survey block yet, move your cursor to the left sidebar. In the special section, locate the survey block and drag it into your email layout where you want it to appear. If the survey is already in place, you can skip dragging and simply work with the existing block. Now, click directly on the survey form you just added or selected. This opens the survey's settings panel, which is where you'll manage the screens that appear before and after someone responds. First, select the Intro tab. This is the welcome screen your readers see before they begin. Add a short, clear message that sets expectations, such as how long the survey will take and why their feedback matters. Keep it concise and helpful. A friendly tone encourages more completions. Then switch to the Outro tab. This is your thank you page. Here, write a warm confirmation message that acknowledges their time and reinforces what happens next, if anything. For example, you might say thanks. Mention that their input helps improve future content and, if appropriate, include a simple call to action like visiting your site for updates. Keep it genuine and specific, but avoid sensitive information. You can also adjust formatting so the message matches your brand style and remains easy to read on mobile devices. When you're happy with your intro and outro text, click Save Settings. Saving locks in your changes to the survey block and ensures your thank you page appears immediately after submission. That's it. Your survey now ends on a professional, reassuring note that closes the loop for every respondent. If you ever need to refine the wording, just return to campaigns, open the same draft, edit the content, and adjust the intro or outro tabs again. Thanks for following along and enjoy creating a clearer, more polished survey experience in Mailerlite.